Your car interior can get as bad as this if you don't clean it regularly. Sometimes you dirty your vehicle and don't know how to clean it, or wait too long and forget about it. Other times, you may buy a used car with foul smells inside from smoke or other things, and sometimes when you sell your vehicle, you want to get the best price possible. Whatever the case, cleaning the car interior with the right tools can help you achieve all that. In our case, the gunk on this headrest was caused by the buildup of hair gel, dirt, and hair oils over a period of about 5 years. Then a seat cover was put over it, so it sat like this, hidden for another 9 years until we found out about this awesome little vacuum. This is what came out of the headrest and seats. Quite bad, but the results speak for themselves. Fracking Creations, showing you the good stuff. Before I get started, I just want to mention that for any tools that we use, always follow the instructions manual on how to use them properly. I'm just showing you how I chose to use it, which does not include everything you need to know. Plus, your scenario and experience will differ, so follow the manual for safety and best results. Dry vacuum the interior. Before using this upholstery cleaning vacuum, do a good dry vacuum to pick up all the dirt, dust, and particles from the interior. Start from top to bottom. You don't want any of this to dissolve and get into the fabric, adding to the dirt you're trying to remove. A mini shop vacuum like this is great and works better than larger handheld vacuums because you can easily get into tight spaces with the hose. This one comes with several attachments for different purposes and helps make the job easier. It can hold a lot of dirt and has a very strong motor and can suck up liquids too. Note that since vacuums can be loud, you may want to wear earplugs while doing the cleaning. Wet vacuum the interior. Now we get to the good stuff, or the nasty stuff in this case. A quick warning that this will be disgusting. Since the gunk is caked on, I am pre-spraying with the spray function to wet the area. It will start dissolving the buildup before I start working on it. The great thing about this cleaner is that it has a heater function to heat the cleaning solution to help clean better. Here, you can see the hot water vapor coming from the area. Note that you don't want to apply too much liquid as it will also absorb deep into the upholstery. Remember that at the end of the cleaning, you will have to let the fabric dry. This can take a few hours, so only wetting the fabric enough to get it clean is ideal to save time later. If you drip excess water onto other areas, make sure to suck it up right away to prevent the water soaking deeper. If you're trying to get smells or stains out of the fabric, consider pre-treating with a fabric cleaner first. If the smell or stains you are trying to remove are stubborn, you may have to do the whole process a few times, but it's worth the effort. Once you start working on the area, you can use the spray at the same time as the vacuuming to make sure that as the fabric is clean, the dirty water is removed at the same time. Some stains will take longer than others, so take your time on one area if needed. Also, make sure to use the brush head as necessary. After cleaning each section, make sure to use the vacuum feature to suck up as much remaining liquid as possible. Then air dry the vehicle. Since you will need enough time to do all this, it's good to make sure you have enough time for the whole process before you decide to start. This really is a great little tool to have, as you can use it in your vehicles and in your house for your fabric couches and carpets too. If you want one, find links to buy these vacuums in the video description below. While you are cleaning the interior of your vehicle, consider also wiping down all the interior trim with Interior Trim Detailer to add the finishing touches. Here is the finished product. It is so satisfying to see the results of your hard work. Now it's your turn to do the same. If you enjoyed our video, please share it and subscribe to our channel. We look forward to creating more great content showing you the good stuff.